I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Thunderhill East, and welcome back to Collection and the all-new 2022 BMW S1000RR is making its maiden voyage here at Thunderhill East. Now, last time I rode a 2020 BMW S1000RR here at Thunderhill, I had just sold it. That's right, I sold my 2020 BMW S1000 after only 2 weeks. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above. But in 2 years, BMW has really made some strides to make this bike much better. Now, if you guys haven't missed it, I've already been on the whole collection today. This is our final ride for the day, our 22 S1000RR. And real good ride on the Panigale V4S, if you guys missed that. Let's link that up above. It's a pretty good ride. Now, I've got the 360 camera on this bike. Now on the Ducati, it froze up. I think we've been having some problems with these cameras freezing up a little bit from the vibration. And they give you or you can buy a vibration dampener, which makes this thing go up like way high. Actually, I'm gonna adjust this real quick and pull it up towards me just a little bit. There we go. But let's hope this sticks with us. So we've been out on the whole collection already today. And again, this is our final ride. But as you guys know, we want to do our warm-up lap first. To get the tires nice and warm. For you guys that ask, some of you guys ask what tire pressures I run on the track. We are running Michelin Power GP2s, I think. They're basically the DOT slicks. So they're slicks on the outside, and then they've got a little bit of tread in the middle. We run pressures. We run 29 cold in the front and 19 cold in the rear. And then we should get the rear up to 26 PSI. And the front should just climb up to about 30. So that's where we are tire-wise. These have some pretty fresh meats on them. Now push it on our warm-up lap. So let's get enough heat in the tires. So we're here on the Disturbed Riders Day. Beautiful day. A little bit warm. It's about, I think it's like 89 today. So a tad warm. This guy. But not 100 degrees like it usually is out here. So I'll take the 89 degrees. You know, my optimal operating temperature is about 72. Should be up to temp now. See how we do. Now, I'm not running a lap timer today. I forgot to grab it. So, hopefully the next session, let's see if you guys can time me, or the next lap. See if you guys can time me across the line, and let's do a flyer lap the next session out. Or the next lap. This bike just feels so good. I'll say it with the BMW versus the Ducati, is this bike so easy to get on and just go fast. Now this bike is soft suspension wise for me. So where the Ducati, it's not really set up for me. That's really set up for Wagner. But if you guys can get ready to time me, I'm really curious because I've never been a big timer. And my joke around Thunderhill East here years ago was always my 204. I could always spin a 204 comfortably. So let's get your clocks running and let's climb us right past the tower now. Sorry, JR, I'm on a flyer. Get ready. Go. Woo! Just keep it running, baby. I got some clear track. we're coming up on traffic, you guys. Bummer. Bummer. Hey, buddy. Coming through. Well, we might still be able to get something out of this. Wiggles, baby, Mr. Wiggles. Someone lost their bike. Woo! What a ride! Well, I'm a quit while I'm ahead. Good ride, you guys. Yeah, this guy's bike is literally falling apart. Alright, you guys, I'll take this. I'll take it all day. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Yes, yes, yes. Best session of the day right there. Have to do that on this bike. I don't know. I just am falling in love with this thing. It's just crazy that I kind of rotate through bikes and which ones I love. And yeah, I bought that 2016 because I really wasn't sure. And today goes to the S1000RR like by a mile. Whew. Tires look good. That was a good one, you guys. That was a good one. Comment below my time. If you got them, I'll pin them up. But what a day. I mean, to be able to be out here and to ride one of these amazing machines, but let alone to be able to ride all four of them in a day. Do the math. This is a dream come true. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, being able to provide these. We don't even have the whole collection out here. Bogner's V2 still in the shop. I don't want to talk about that right now, but it's still in the shop. It's still trying to figure out the overheating issues. But and then the 16 S1000RR. I couldn't fit it in. So I brought the new bikes out, and I would say today the best I had was really to just easy to ride. Nothing against the Ducatis. The Ducatis, you know, I love that Street Fighter, and this Panigale is a wonderful bike, but the S1000RR is just such a great bike to be able to get on and just fast right out of the box. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. It's going to give you future notification of future content here on the channel. I know you guys have been asking, and yes, we will be out on the street on all these machines soon enough. So thank you guys for recommending me to get back on the street, do some more DIYs. I just have to find time. So thank you guys again for sticking around, but we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.